Do you want to be able to do this? Well, just keep watching this video and I'll show you how. Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Playpacket and I like to post videos and tutorials. So today I'm going to be showing you how to play any TV show or YouTube video or movie on your TV in Toca Life. So the first thing you're going to need is a TV. Inside the home designer, you're going to press the couch and then the radio, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see a TV. Now that you've gotten your TV, that's basically all that you need to do. So then you're going to want to get some footage of whatever you're doing, whether that's playing with your roleplay family or your friends. All that you need to do is make sure that you get a recording of your screen. So the next part isn't too hard. You're just going to get the app CapCut, and if you already have it, then that's good, but if you don't, you can get it from the App Store. And then you're going to get the videos that you're going to use. So I'm going to use the one of me in my living room, and then I'm just going to cut out the parts that I don't want. And I always make the ratio 16:9 because that's like the standard YouTube video ratio. And then I zoom in to cut out those extra things that Toca Boca has. Then I press overlay, and then I'm going to go back to my gallery and add the video that I want to put into the TV. And then you're going to make the video as small or as big as you want it to be. And then you're going to look for the button that says mask, and then you're going to choose the rectangle option so that you can crop the video much better. And here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please can you give it a like, and also consider subscribing so that you don't miss when I post another video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.